Hello, I wanted to let you all know that the last day to withdraw from any class is on November 5th, Friday, November 5th. So that's coming up in a couple weeks. What it means to withdraw from a class is that you will end up with a W on your report card for that class. And so that class will not impact your GPA. So if you're failing or maybe getting a D in any of your classes and you're thinking you're not going to be able to bring that grade up, then it's a good idea to speak with an advisor and find out about withdrawing. I really recommend that before you withdraw, you speak with an advisor because there are some cases where it's better, even if you get an F in the class, than withdraw. For example, if you're a student who's here on a visa or a veteran, sometimes they have to maintain a full schedule of classes in order to get the benefits that they get. And so speak with an advisor before you withdraw, but this is the time you should be thinking about if you might want to withdraw from any of your classes. So what you might be asking is, how do I know if I'm going to be able to pass the class or not? And so that's why I'm here on Canvas in my student view. And so what you want to do is you'll go to grades. All right, and for me, this brings up my test student, who you see is a very bad student. They haven't done any work the whole semester. So this is a student I would recommend should probably withdraw from the class. But what I want to show you is what I like to call the what if game on Canvas. And so if you were this student, you might say, okay, wait, maybe I, get my everything going together and I start turning stuff in and I get good grades on these upcoming assignments. And so then it's going to adjust and tell you what percentage you will have for the class. Now this student, again, because they're not a real student and the grades aren't entered in, really all these missing assignments should technically be zeros. So the grade isn't going to quite factor correctly here, but for you it'll factor correctly. So you can enter grades, those kind of what if grades, like pretending like, okay, I think on this essay I might be able to get 85 out of 100 or 75 out of 100, and what that would do to your final grade. And so you can go on to Canvas under grades and give that a try. With any of your classes, if you're thinking, I don't know if I'm going to be able to pass or not, this is the way that you would find out. So if you want to speak to me before, if you're not sure what you should do about this class, then go ahead and set up a meeting with me or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. But I just wanted to let everybody know that this was coming up. Thanks. Bye-bye.